Meaning of ident.
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 Ident. Ident is a term commonly used in broadcasting to refer to a short audio or visual clip that uniquely identifies a station or program. It serves as a brief, memorable marker that helps viewers or listeners easily recognize what they're tuning into. Typically, an ident includes a jingle, music, or a logo that visually or audibly represents the broadcaster or program. These identifiers can range in length from a few seconds to a minute and are often played before and after commercial breaks or at the beginning and end of a show.